Welcome! Today I have a powerful practice for those moments when everything feels too much. We'll breathe deeply and move gently to help your body release stored stress and return to a state of softness. And this practice is for women, with your cycle and your nervous system in mind. And it's especially supportive during times of overwhelm, or basically anytime you need a reset and need to reconnect to your body. And there's no need to push or perform here. Please let this be a return to your body and your breath and this moment. So now let's take a moment to arrive and really welcome yourself just as you are today. So come and make your way in a comfortable seated position. And remember, you always have the choice to listen to your body and make this your practice. So if it feels right, I invite you to place one hand on your heart and womb, or maybe on your heart and your cheek. And try and give yourself some warmth here. And then bring in gentle awareness. How do you feel today? Often when we feel stress or anxiety or other denser energies, we are resisting something or holding on to something. So try to welcome however you feel in this moment. Feeling what wants to be felt. And allowing these feelings to be felt right now. Allowing the wave to move through you. Not holding on, but just riding the wave with your breath. And see if you can surrender just a bit more into the present moment. And we live in a very yang-oriented world, so let's bring in some yin energy to balance those energies. And let your body remember its healing capacities. Because if we get out of the way, it knows so well how to take care of us. So let's bring in some prana and life force to areas where it might be blocked by connecting to all the energy that is around you. And now imagine this energy and your breath coming from above your head, into your brain, into your third eye, your throat, your heart, your solar plexus, your belly, the sacral and root chakra, all the way down into the earth, into its core, rooting you down and grounding you. And on your exhale, exhale all the way back up. From the core through the root, sacral, solar plexus, the heart, the throat, the third eye, and out through the crown, connecting you to your higher self. And do this one more time with your own breath, bringing all your awareness and attention to your breath, following it all the way down. And all the way up. Maybe let out an audible sigh to connect with your voice and your body. So let's tune a bit more into our bodies, our wombs, and the vagus nerve with some humming. Sound and vibration are extremely beneficial to calm the nervous system. And I invite you to let this hum come from your womb rather than from your chest, as this creates a deeper resonance. So you can place your hands on your womb and take a couple of breaths here, expanding the belly. Allow her to soften. Also notice your jaw and relax and soften. And there's the option to place your hands in Yoni Mudra by placing your index fingers and thumbs together and interlacing your other fingers and letting your index finger point down and your thumbs point up. And place your hands under your navel in your lap. And let's prepare. Imagine the breath coming in through the top of your head and with your hum expanding a bright light around you. So let's prepare for 3 rounds. Breathing in. One more time. Feel the vibration. Relax your face, your shoulders, your spine. Allow yourself to soften in this moment. And then let's come onto all fours, hands beneath your shoulders and knees beneath your hips. And let this be a soft structure and not a rigid shape. Spread your fingers wide and gently press through the base of your palms. And begin to shift your weight subtly from side to side, feeling the contact of your body with the earth and the earth her energy. And in order to let life force and prana flow freely, we have to have an open and flexible spine. So let's work on that. So let's start with some pelvic circles, slow and circular movements of the pelvis, like stirring a bowl with your tailbone. And let your spine respond naturally, like a ripple, a sway, or maybe a wave, and breathe with it. Inhale and exhale, and let your head and neck join if they want to. And this is somatic because we're not trying to do a pose. We're listening how the movement feels in our body and not how it looks. You're basically sensing from the inside out, allowing your body to guide the shape rather than your mind controlling the movement. And now from here begin to flow in some waves like cat-cow. And instead of robotic repetitions, let your spine move like seaweed in water. You might lead with your tailbone, then your belly, then your heart, then your head. And feel free to pause anywhere it feels interesting. And this is nervous system nourishing. You're giving yourself permission to move slowly, sensually, and with curiosity. And this activates your introception, your ability to sense yourself, which will help you to bring yourself out of survival mode and into connection with yourself and everything around you. Now, if you need to shake out your wrists, always feel free to do so. Or if you feel you want to take a child's pose and breathe. But otherwise, we move into some figure 8 hip figures. Draw small or exaggerated loops with your pelvis, as if you're sketching an infinity sign with your sacrum. And let it be asymmetrical if your body wants. And maybe even invite some pleasure into this movement. And this is where somatic meets feminine embodiment. These are not mechanical motions. They are invitations to reclaim your softness, to feel your womb space, your hips, and your spine as alive, expressive, and wise. And then let's come into stillness and make your way in a comfortable seated position. Stay connected to your breath. And now I will guide you into a short closing practice inspired by Ho'oponopono, an ancient practice from Hawaii for forgiveness. It is a powerful way to purify the body and get rid of bad memories or feelings. So now place the back of your hands together and with your fingers together press softly in the opening of your ribs. And breathe in deep. And exhale with a sound. Drop into your body. And pressing here is the easiest way to connect to your vagus nerve and release your body's own oxytocin, the chemical of love, bonding, and safety. And if you did not receive this as a child, you might feel some irritation or fear right now. And welcome that, it's okay. And this spot might feel tender, so apply a little pressure and feel and connect to your body and ask its consent if it's okay to work with her today. And to me, a yes feels opening and relaxing, and a no feels contracting. So if you feel a no, please honor your body's wishes and instead come into a child's pose. But if you do get consent, keep dropping into the body and notice what arises for you. If you're getting distracted, you're disassociating. So bring your awareness back into your body. And then repeat silently or aloud. If my physical body experiences shame, anxiety, worry, fear, guilt, sadness, or anger, I am grateful for the opportunity to release you. I am sorry. I forgive you. I love you. I am grateful. Feel into the feeling and repeat. I'm sorry. I forgive you. I love you. I am grateful. And now release your hands onto your knees and focus on your body. Stay present and allow and welcome what wants to be felt. And let's bring our arms overhead on our next inhale. And into our heart center on our exhale. One more time. Breathe in, inhale. And exhale, bringing in love and gratitude into your heart. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I send you so much love and flow with love and peace. And if this practice spoke to you, I invite you to subscribe. It's the most powerful way you can support this channel and help the movement grow. I would love to hear how this practice landed in your body, your breath. And when you share, you don't just speak for yourself. You might light the way for another woman. Because we were never meant to heal alone. So if this moved you, please leave a comment. I love to connect. Like the video or share it with a sister who might need it. This is how we rise, together. One breath and one gentle revolution at a time. Thank you.